Our Navy shipyards were designed to build a 19th century Navy, but now must sustain a 21st century fleet. A new generation of sailors and Marines face new challenges with new ships and submarines in an unpredictable world. The world's most advanced Navy relies on us. The Shipyard Infrastructure Optimization Program, capital equipment upgrades, redesigned shipyard infrastructure, and much more. Modernizing for the modernizers, overhauling for the overhaulers, giving them the tools, technology, and training they need, and the facilities that match. Because our 21st century sailors and Marines need to be ready when and where they're called for duty. The Shipyard Infrastructure Optimization Program, a revolutionary approach to shipyard design, coordinating across all Navy stakeholders for shipyards of the future, building the shipyards the nation needs.